Alright, let's embark on a fascinating journey into the world of biotin, specifically as it resides within the crunchy goodness of nuts and seeds. Prepare yourself for an in-depth exploration, woven with a narrative thread, designed to be both informative and engaging. Imagine a tiny seed, nestled within the earth, drawing life and sustenance. Within its seemingly simple structure lies a complex tapestry of nutrients, including a vital vitamin known as biotin. Similarly, picture a nut, encased in its protective shell, a powerhouse of energy and essential compounds, again, often containing a significant amount of biotin. Our story begins with Anya, a young nutritionist with an insatiable curiosity about the intricate connections between food and well-being. One sunny afternoon, while researching dietary sources of B vitamins, she stumbled upon the remarkable presence of biotin in various nuts and seeds. Intrigued, she decided to delve deeper, her quest leading her through a labyrinth of scientific studies and nutritional data. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, plays a crucial role in numerous metabolic processes within the human body. It acts as a cofactor for several carboxylase enzymes, which are essential for the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Think of these enzymes as tiny workers within our cells, and biotin as the key that allows them to perform their specific tasks efficiently. One of the primary functions of biotin is its involvement in gluconeogenesis, the process by which the body produces glucose from non-carbohydrate sources. This is particularly important during fasting or prolonged exercise, ensuring a steady supply of energy for the brain and other vital organs. Biotin also plays a key role in fatty acid synthesis, the creation of new fatty acids, and in the breakdown of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Anya learned that a deficiency in biotin can manifest in various ways, including hair thinning, skin rashes, and neurological symptoms. While severe biotin deficiency is relatively rare due to its presence in a wide range of foods and the body's ability to recycle it, even mild deficiencies can have subtle but noticeable effects on overall health and well-being. Driven by her findings, Anya focused her research on the biotin content of specific nuts and seeds. She discovered that while the exact amounts can vary depending on the variety, growing conditions, and processing methods, several types stand out as notable sources of this essential vitamin. Peanuts. A biotin-rich legume. Interestingly, peanuts, often considered nuts, are actually legumes. Anya found that peanuts contain a significant amount of biotin. Studies indicated that roasted peanuts can provide a measurable contribution to the daily biotin intake. The exact amount can fluctuate, but including peanuts in the diet can certainly help boost biotin levels. Almonds. A versatile source. Almonds, with their satisfying crunch and mild flavor, are another excellent source of biotin. Anya's research highlighted that almonds contain a noteworthy amount of this vitamin, making them a valuable addition to a biotin-conscious diet. Whether eaten whole, slivered, or as almond butter, they offer a convenient and tasty way to increase biotin intake. Walnuts. Brain food with a biotin bonus. Known for their brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts also contain a decent amount of biotin. Anya discovered that incorporating walnuts into meals or snacks not only provides healthy fats but also contributes to the daily requirement of biotin. Their rich texture and flavor make them a versatile ingredient. Sunflower seeds. Tiny powerhouses of nutrition. These small but mighty seeds are packed with various nutrients, including a notable quantity of biotin. Anya's investigation revealed that sunflower seeds can be a significant source of this vitamin, especially when consumed regularly. They can be easily added to salads, yogurt, or enjoyed as a standalone snack. Chia seeds. An ancient source of modern wellness. These tiny black seeds, once a staple in ancient Mayan and Aztec diets, have gained popularity for their impressive nutritional profile. Anya was intrigued to find that chia seeds also contain a measurable amount of biotin. Their versatility allows them to be incorporated into smoothies, puddings, and baked goods. Other notable mentions. Anya's research extended to other nuts and seeds, revealing that pecans, cashews, hazelnuts, and sesame seeds also contain varying levels of biotin. While they might not be as rich in biotin as peanuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds, they still contribute to the overall dietary intake of this essential vitamin. As Anya meticulously compiled her findings, she realized the importance of considering the bioavailability of biotin in these foods. Bioavailability refers to the extent to which the body can absorb and utilize a nutrient. While nuts and seeds contain biotin, the form in which it exists and the presence of other compounds can influence its absorption. For instance, some studies suggest that avidin, a protein found in raw egg whites, can bind to biotin and inhibit its absorption. However, cooking eggs denatures avidin, rendering it harmless. Anya noted that the biotin in nuts and seeds is generally considered to be in a bioavailable form. To further enhance the value of her research, Anya decided to explore the practical implications of incorporating biotin-rich nuts and seeds into everyday diets. She recognized that simply knowing which foods contain biotin isn't enough. People need practical tips on how to include them in their meals and snacks. Practical tips for incorporating biotin-rich nuts and seeds. Snack smart. Keep a mix of almonds, walnuts, and peanuts readily available for a quick and nutritious snack. Salad boost. Sprinkle sunflower seeds or chopped almonds on salads for added texture and biotin. Yogurt power-up. Mix chia seeds or chopped nuts into yogurt or oatmeal for a biotin-rich breakfast or snack. Baking enrichment. Incorporate ground nuts or seeds into muffins, bread, and other baked goods. Nut butters. Enjoy peanut butter or almond butter on toast, crackers, or with fruits. Trail mix magic. Create your own trail mix with a variety of nuts and seeds for an energy and biotin boost on the go. Smoothie enhancement. Blend nuts or seeds into smoothies for added nutrients and a creamy texture. Cooking ingredient. Use chopped nuts in stir-fries, pasta dishes, or as a topping for casseroles. Anya also considered the impact of processing on the biotin content of nuts and seeds. Roasting, for example, might slightly alter the biotin levels, but generally, the reduction is not significant enough to negate their value as biotin sources. As her research neared completion, Anya felt a sense of accomplishment. She had not only uncovered the detailed presence of biotin in various nuts and seeds but had also translated this scientific knowledge into practical advice for everyday living. Her journey through scientific literature and nutritional data had painted a vivid picture of these humble foods as significant contributors to our intake of this essential vitamin. She envisioned sharing her findings in a way that would resonate with a wide audience, empowering them to make informed dietary choices. She wanted to convey the message that incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into their daily meals is a simple yet effective way to support their biotin levels and overall well-being. Anya decided to structure her findings in a clear and engaging manner, much like the story she had lived through her research. She would start by introducing biotin and its importance, then delve into the specific nuts and seeds that are good sources, provide practical tips for consumption, and finally, summarize the key takeaways. Biotin. The unsung hero. Biotin's role extends beyond carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. It is also involved in cell signaling and gene regulation. Emerging research suggests potential roles for biotin in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails, although more robust human studies are needed to confirm these benefits definitively. The recommended daily intake of biotin for adults is around 30 micrograms, mcg. While this might seem like a small amount, consistently meeting this requirement is essential for optimal bodily functions. Nuts and seeds, as Anya's research clearly indicated, can play a significant role in achieving this. A closer look at the biotin content. It's important to note that the biotin content of nuts and seeds can vary. Factors such as the specific variety, growing conditions, and processing methods can influence the final amount. However, the following provides a general overview based on available scientific data. Peanuts. Approximately 5 micrograms per 28 grams, 1 ounce. Almonds. Approximately 5 micrograms per 28 grams, 1 ounce. Walnuts. Approximately 2 micrograms per 28 grams, 1 ounce. Sunflower seeds. Approximately 2 micrograms per 28 grams, 1 ounce. Chia seeds. Approximately 0.1 micrograms per gram, around 2.8 micrograms per 28 grams or 1 ounce. These values are approximate and can vary. However, they highlight that peanuts and almonds tend to be among the richer sources of biotin within the nut and seed family. Beyond biotin, the nutritional powerhouse of nuts and seeds, Anya recognized that while her focus was on biotin, it was crucial to acknowledge the broader nutritional benefits of nuts and seeds. They are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them valuable additions to a balanced diet. Healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. 1. Protein. They contribute to daily protein intake, essential for building and repairing tissues. Fiber. The fiber content promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds are good sources of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. By incorporating nuts and seeds into the diet, individuals can reap a multitude of health benefits beyond just increasing their biotin intake. Addressing common misconceptions. Anya also wanted to address some common misconceptions surrounding nuts and seeds. One frequent concern is their calorie content. While it's true that nuts and seeds are energy-dense, consuming them in moderation as part of a balanced diet is not associated with weight gain and can even aid in weight management due to their satiety-promoting effects. Another misconception is that all fats are unhealthy. Nuts and seeds are primarily composed of healthy unsaturated fats, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health. In conclusion, Anya's detailed exploration revealed the significant presence of biotin in various nuts and seeds, including peanuts, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. These nutrient-dense foods not only contribute to our daily biotin intake but also offer a wealth of other health-promoting compounds. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into our diets is a simple and delicious way to support overall health and well-being. Anya hoped that her journey of discovery would inspire viewers to explore the nutritional wonders of these humble yet powerful foods and to make informed choices that contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life. Her detailed and engaging approach aimed to transform dry scientific facts into compelling knowledge, empowering individuals to take charge of their nutrition. As Anya finalized her work, she felt a sense of satisfaction. She had successfully woven together scientific rigor with a human touch, creating a comprehensive and engaging exploration of biotin in nuts and seeds. Her story, rooted in curiosity and driven by a desire to empower others, had come full circle. The tiny seed of an idea had blossomed into a rich and informative narrative, ready to be shared with the world.